So hey guys, I'm gonna make this fast because I'm borrowing Kyle's camera, which is about to die. My camera's just not having it with me. It's just the sound isn't working and it's just being really weird. So I haven't vlogged in forever, so I'm gonna upload this vlog. It's from this past weekend when I stayed at the Contemporary, went to Blizzard, and went to Epcot. So I have a bunch of footage from this weekend. I'm gonna upload that. Still working on getting a new camera. It might be a little bit, gonna pay off some credit cards, being an adult. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this one and then probably vlog sometime this week if I have time. I work a bunch of hours next week, so we shall see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let's go.
Viva Gaia, welcome to Epcot, where this little cast of bugs is going to Epcot. And Kyle's right here. And they got their Joffreys. What did you get? Give us a little haul.
Peach ice.
Peach iced tea. Katie, what did you get?
Literally frozen piss.
I'm gonna go scan in. Today already we have gone to Blizzard this morning. Oh, I need to introduce people because most of these people have not been on my vlogs. So this is Camielle. Where are you from?
Quebec.
Quebec.
Yeah.
Kate, I think Katie's been on my vlogs, but say hello to Katie again. Here's Franco. Franco, where are you from? Mexico. And then there's Kyle. He's in all of them. So yeah, we went to Blizzard Beach this morning. Should we get a picture here too?
Oh,
Why not?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and get another photo pass picture because we can. So BRB. All right. So so Blizzard this morning. We weren't there for that long. It was really busy. And then we all went back to the Contemporary and we just kind of hung out in the pool, so that was fun. Now we're at Epcot, so we are going to go on Figment. And oh yeah, we'll go on that later. We're walking under the ball now, so hey, what's up? You guys having fun today? Woo! Having fun today. My hair is making me look like I have a beard. It's fine. We're also gonna go in the DVC lounge because Kyle's gonna, annual pass holder, DVC lounge because Kyle has the DVC, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna go on Figment and whatever else we want to do. My hair's doing whatever it wants to do today. Yeah. I also want to get a Coca-Cola slushie. And yeah, so I'll come back to you when we're at the DVC lounge because I'm a vlog in there. So we are now walking up to the DVC lounge. Like we're all up in here. It's cool. So yeah. Yep. Take those square things. There's an iPad. Can we use it? So we get free food. I got gummy bears. She got Cheez-Its. And we're gonna get free drinks. They have like the actual like fountains. It's like so cool. Oh my god. Oh, the lighting in here is pretty cool. So we just got done in the DVC lounge. So now we're gonna go ride Figment because we got fast passes. Because Camielle wanted to go on Figment, so we're going on Figment. And then we also got fast passes for Soarin' at like 7:35, I think. Yeah. So that'll be fun. We're gonna go on Spaceship Earth. Are we trying Test Track? Is that what we're doing?
We're trying Test Track.
We'll try Test Track. Ooh, that's a lot.
But 10 minutes single.
So yeah, we're gonna go do all that. And then, I don't really know, so. So we just got off Figment, and we got fast passes for it and didn't really need them, but it's fine. Now we're gonna go on to Seas with Nemo and Friends. And, oh, there's another photo pass person. All the pictures today, all the pictures. So yeah, we're gonna go on to Seas. So exciting. touch the butt. It looks like I'm touching the butt, so I call that a win. Touching the butt. Oh yeah. The big blue world. The big blue world. Never ends. What's out there? We just made our car for test track, and this is what it looks like. And Cam and Franco are doing theirs. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cool. Katie had to leave, so it's just us now. But yeah, he's gonna win efficiency. You guys excited? Oh my god. So we'll see who the winner is. New update. We were literally just about to get into the car and the ride went 101. So we got fast passes when we went out. Yeah, it smells disgusting out here, but like we got fast passes, so it's fine. And we can use it for something else another day. And it'll be cool. So yeah, we're gonna go ride Spaceship Earth and then go to the land and ride Soarin'. And I'm just gonna watch all the mad people walking out because it's funny. So yeah. Bye. Alright, so now we're going on Soarin' because we have fast passes. What else were we gonna?
On the World Showcase.
Yeah, World Showcase next, and then we're gonna.
I've never done the Kid Cuts.
I've never done the Kid Cot. I feel like we need an entire day to do the Kid Cot though.
Yeah, you can do like really quick.
Okay, so we're gonna do Kid Cot.
We didn't try to.
Yeah. And then we'll go on Spaceship Earth last because that's like on the way out of the park. So people will be lining up for illuminations and we'll book it out of there. So yeah, it'll be lots of fun. And Cam didn't know that Kronk was the voice, well, Patrick from Soarin' is the voice of Kronk. So yeah. Fun.
The more you know.
Yeah, learn something new every day. So yeah, we're gonna go on that. So see you later.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please.
Right now we're in Mexico. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. We just went on Soarin' and then we got a cinnamon roll and 2 cookies for this guy right here. And then we were coming here to see if Franco's friend was working. And then Cam is getting food, and then we're gonna run to Spaceship Earth so we can ride that. And then we're gonna go back to Contemporary because we stay in there. I'll have to do a room tour when I get back. But yeah, so we are almost done today. It's been a long day. We did a lot of stuff. It was tons of fun. So yeah. Just got her food. Cam, what did you get to eat?
Baby empanadas.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're good.
Nice.
Basically fat and cheap.
So we're gonna go ride Spaceship Earth, but also there's like a ginormous storm that's coming. You see this? You see it? It's gonna come. It's gonna scary. So scary. But yeah, there's lightning like already in this like cloud area. We're gonna go ride Spaceship Earth. Woo! Here are my favorite pixie lights on the ground. It's so cool.
was a big one. It was a big bug. Right?